Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change time zone on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do to change time zone on Samsung phone is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on general management. Locate and click on date and time. Now under date and time, to change time zone, if automatic time zone is enabled, go ahead and disable it. Then come to where you see select time zone and click on it. Then you should see your region set by default. Then if you want to change it, just go ahead and click on it. And then search for your time zone. Once you search for it, just hang on and then you should see some suggestions related to your time zone. Then you are good. Then you should see your time changed. Once you change your time zone, to return back to the default time zone, just click on automatic time zone. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to change time zone on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.